Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
Yeah, we're all good. Oh, what's this? A shrine with lasers. This isn't familiar.
I've got hops.
Hops for days. Watch this. Hop over that one. Ah, you disappoint. You will live to... Oh, wait. Well, I don't know what you want me to say. You still disappoint. Is it start you underneath the... Okay. Alright.
Okay, for some reason I can't immediately jump that.
Yeah, okay. It's a very small vantage point.
Yeah. You can't run jump well, can you?
I think it's just weird, the angle at which you run jump. This is curious, though. I also haven't done this one already.
Are you saying you haven't fully explored the northwestern region?
No. Yes. As soon as I beat Ritos Village, I just moved on, because I'm a lame gamer. I don't complete everything. But I missed such an exciting time, as it clearly stands.
It's spy stuff.
It is. You are indeed Link Bond. Stander-upper. What are you gonna do now, Link? There's 3 of them, and you're I mean...
It worked.
Yeah, it did. You clicked the laser, but it did. You're just gonna trust the... You've done it, Link. You lined up at the moving platform. Right, so one of these will lead you to the end, the other treasure. An opal indeed. What are you gonna do? Okay, so now we know that I can block that. That was much simpler than I thought it was compared to the last one. This was way easier. Yo! Oh, you actually are going to need that?
That's 8 minutes 40.
That's enough time. Go for the gold. You only need one. I mean, I guess you could combine them.
Oh, I thought I was going to have to go over.
No. Oh, you did?
Okay, don't stimulate.
Okay, yeah. Noted. It's a thing. I thought I was impressed for a second, but then... And now you dark. See, if this was Sonic, you could run and slide, and now both. Climb. Maybe you do need the blocks.
I think I do.
Maybe, no, ascend.
Can I record, actually?
No. Significantly less threatening when you know it doesn't kill you for certain, but this game's not cruel like that.
This shrine was made.
It was. Somebody had good ideas, but they didn't have the guts to go all in on this shrine, really.
Like, this was baby shrine.
Baby shrine. Or maybe you've just gotten that good. I don't know why I didn't do this. Because, like, I guess when you follow the direct path into Ritos Village, you come to a point where the bridge is out and you have to build a bridge or some sort of contraption to do that. But if you come from another angle, as you've just proven, you can easily glide into it, which I feel like I should have thought of. But maybe I just wanted to give the game its fair dues.
This is giving the game its fair dues.
It is. Oh, so go down, because you've missed the place where you can get your stamina. Not down, I meant down the stairs.
Yeah, but you can understand the confusion.
Right. There you go. Now you can gain power beyond your wildest dreams. Yes, you got to stand with this. Look at how lame it is, not being a heart.
I think it's unfathomably based that it isn't a heart.
You truly are a heartless being.
Hi, Roxas.
But you can run faster. No Kingdom Hearts, not in this house.
Next time we'll record at my place. I jest.
You will be doing that without me if you do that.
I'd be doing it without the game.
There's a lot of stuff that I can put up with. That is not one of them. Don't bother sleeping. Not only can you not afford this at the moment, but it's not worth it.
Well, that makes me think a Rio down bed has something to it.
Maybe some sort of buff. I've never been willing to spend 50 rupees on it, but
You've never been willing to spend 50 rupees.
I was saving.
You've never had 50 rupees.
I have. I sold everything to get them. I was saving for the cold resistant clothes, which I didn't get.
5 arrows for 20 rupees.
Yeah, if you sold you'll probably be okay.
I'll grind them off stream. I don't want to put our poor fans through me strafing for half an hour without a dodge roll.
Twitch.tv, by the way. It's a lie. I would never Twitch.
Facebook Gaming, however. Hit us up.
Oh yeah, that's a thing. What's this? Suspiciously looking plot-like.
That's not fair at all.
Voice acting.
Handle it.
I only came here because I recognise the bird.
Job wouldn't be hard. I could even do it alone.
And I thought I was ignoring the NPCs.
The village.
This is not the way you play.
If there was any other NPC, I'd have ignored them. Except her. I owe her.
Alright. You do now.
It is you.
I'm not expecting you to remember, but was this guy in the first game as like a tiny child
I
or
believe
something?
so.
Okay. I'll have to look that up later. Or maybe I just won't. But it's interesting.
Ed put up an image of Tulin from Breath of the Wild.
Okay. We'll see.
Editor, remember not to call this series Breath of the Wild 2.
That's very important, editor. Even though it is Breath of the Wild 2. Yeah, this guy was he wasn't the Rivali's Gale, but he did help you during your thing. It is weird to suddenly see them take wing when they're just standing like humans normally. Like, I feel like their bodies wouldn't allow them to be able to fly.
They're birds.
They are birds.
Like, just because they're birds in a so-some doesn't make
They
them
are
penguins.
Bird people. They've got legs as opposed to talons. Should I say feet as opposed to talons? That probably isn't true either. But they wear shoes at least, so we can't say for certain.
You can call them civilized.
Yeah. I was doing that because they wore clothes and spoke mainly, but... Well, they communicated through language.
2 bonfires.
Oh yes, it's nice and obvious where you need to go this time.
We're just gonna get
You've lost sight of the fire!
We're just
Whereas-
gonna go back here the exact same way we came.
Yes, we are. And it's
We're
going
just
to
gonna-
be hellish.
I don't think it's gonna be hellish. I think we've gone the most optimal, straightforward path impossible.
No, you're not. You're gonna fast travel. We can't fast travel to Rito Village, but... Oh, that reminds me, there is a shrine in Rito Village. Probably should have told you earlier, but you'll be back there at some point. Just not quickly.
As long as I progress Toolin, it's fine.
Toolin is not a route in a visual novel. This is the story of the game. He is a minor character all in all.
Time to sell these for
Feel
arrows.
free to take... Maybe. Might get you 5 arrows. Pine cones, they burn easy. And something else easier. It's the emo bird. Is it the emo bird, actually? I can't see if it's hers hanging over his eye. But he's got a name like an emo bird.
Yo, Toolin's OP.
Oh yeah, he's an emo bird. And yeah, of course he is. He's the young upstart who is the most talented. Toolin is a Gary Sue. Prove me wrong.
I don't have to.
Wait. Take those. I like how we didn't get a single one of them on the first mountain in the cold. Despite them being everywhere. This is the first spicy pepper we've got. But basically, as I imagine you've guessed, we're going to want to cook them into an anti-cold concoction.
I'm not worth doing it now.
Nah. Any time works.
Actually, what am I looking for? I sort of went up here without thinking.
I think that's where it was guiding you. It's not giving you, any, ignore the yellow dot now, because it's just saying, oh, return to that guy once you find it.
Hebrew Summit Cave. So don't go up there, I want to find a cave.
Or it said summit. So maybe you do want to go up there.
So it's just past Ross Pro. But I could just go west of here.
Fair enough. Don't get lost.
Don't worry, I made it so the map doesn't turn. It's just gonna always face north.
Oh, that's convenient. Your map is also a Did the map turn?
If I change the options, it does.
That's hellish.
The default is that it. What's it called?
Right,
Oh, is that the code?
Yeah, I assume you're following these campfires.
Yeah, that's just my whole health bar, isn't it?
I thought we agreed we don't fight. Unless
Yeah, I didn't. I agreed to that. The enemies don't.
You ran straight into them.
I thought that was the direction to head.
Even so, evasive maneuvers. Have you never read The Art of War?
Literally haven't.
You what? Every game. I think you are meant to be heading up here, though. I don't think... Yeah. Go back up. I know. Don't go... Okay. That's probably fine.
Imagine where I'd be without my additional stamina.
Well, you actually still would have made that.
Yeah, but you'd been less confident I would have.
You're right. You would have made me more tense, and therefore... It was worth it. I don't know, am I the only one who thinks it'd just be better to go up the snowy path that's a real path for once?
Yeah.
Guess I am.
So 1-to-1 rate.
Yeah, I think it's lit by campfires, so look out for them as well. Or is that the cave, actually? Or am I mistaken? It looks like an intake, doesn't it?
I'll head towards it.
Yeah, I would assume. Oh, there he is. Oh, no. Never mind.
It's the right place.
Oh, right. Oh, she's gonna tell us our Tulin is in another castle, I guess. Who is Gasoline?
Father Gascoigne is the second boss of Bloodful.
He's weak to fire, and his second form activates at a quarter health. To activate his second form early, talk to the girl through the window, and get the music box item.
Actually.
I think there's water below you.
Okay, first water wow that hasn't just insta-kill.
Yeah, I can't necessarily blame you for assuming this would be cold water, but good old ascent. I wish there was a descend. Could go straight to hell. I mean, let's not lift a gift horse in the map.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah, you had a bad camera angle, it's fine. You'll spawn in the cave with 1 health again. Sorry, quarter of ours. I guess you're going through that little hole there. Nicely done.
Do I have anything that makes a good hammer?
Axe work. There's probably lots of rocks around. Or maybe not. Oh yeah, there you go. That'll do quite nicely. Okay. But yeah, for breaking rocks, life's gonna be hell if you don't make a hammer. But usually you'll find when you break, like, rocks that block paths, they drop sticks.
Ruby!
Let's go! Now,
Fire stick!
there is, honestly, rather fire stick. Rubies sell for 110 rupees, which isn't bad, but also fire stick's pretty valuable. I think that kept us warm last time when we made a fire wand, right?
Yeah.
Nothing. It is nothing compared to you. That horn's probably going to make quite a good weapon if you find another thing as
I
well.
think that horn's gonna sell for a good amount of money.
I don't think it is. I don't think monster parts do that very much. You can use the
Pine cone.
the pine cones catch fire easy. They're basically flint.
Do I have to climb
I
that?
think we just have to climb, yeah. It's probably not going to get rid of all of them, but yeah,
you
just
only
pick
do-
that. Pick a garden prick.
Pick an angle of the wall.
Yeah. This is going to be probably. Nice. Good. Wait. The patience of Link, they called it. The Triforce of Patience he wielded.
Yeah, someone's definitely said that before. It's probably something you got. That's not what you think after all?
Wait, there's a... No, wait, no.
I assume I still have it.
Yeah, that goes deeper in, right?
It's my first time playing the game, but I couldn't tell you.
Well, I don't remember this section. The desire is great. Looks like you'll have to burn some after all. Burn. Witness. Witness the light.
This is a Hunchback of Notre Dame moment.
Yes. No. Oh. They will kill you. Wait, it's not dead?
You keep saying like that like these things should die in one hit.
They do, you've got the sound and everything. Maybe it respawned.
Could have something to do with the bow having 5 power.
Maybe it could. Fire is good for your health.
I'd have fired
What are you
bird, man.
Clearly. Oh, he had his weapon ready as well when you were about to shoot him. I wonder if you can antagonise the birds. Become evil Link.
I'll do that to every other race.
Okay, yeah. What? That's reverse. That's bird supremacy.
Okay, I won't hurt the Zora either. A 50-50 ratio.
Perfectly balanced.
I'm gonna retort just so it points me in the right direction again.
No. Go right from him.
You see,
2 directions.
the point is I knew the right thing to do was talk in check.
Otherwise it's gone. You're too late.
Like if I had just gone the
an
direction, then you could complain.
You're right. You stopped yourself from going the wrong direction, I guess, off your own bat. So you at least suspected something was amiss. His sign fell over.